That's awesome.
What's going through your head right now?
Is it real? No, it's love this thing. Oh my word, no words. It's pure amazement. Gotta take a look at the inside. Sick. Mind blown. Oh my word. I can't believe I won this thing. Like, the fact that I completely forgot I had a subscription and all of a sudden I get a call, it was like insane.
Well, there's more. So, in the trunk back here, here's your cover, which we're gonna use to rest on this thing right here, which has the rest of your goodies in it. Boom. Jump in there. You guys are gonna want to video this part.
Yep,
that's real money. Hold that up for these guys. This right here is like a microfiber cover. It's one of our sponsors, Cal Car Cover. So you can kind of feel the inside of this thing. It's like a nice microweave, and it's custom fit for this exact car. These seats are by a company called TMI, and they actually, in this particular car, they did just the wrappers. This is the original seat. You can see they covered it in this nice leather and Alcantara suede. That's the same suede that's in the new Mercedes. Push button start you've already been through, coded digital gauges. You can see the dash is all custom painted to match the car. Peterbilt pewter is what they call this color, so it's the trucking company. Peterbilt. Here, these are yours. Hang on to those. And let's see the good stuff under here. There's what you were hearing. So we have a company down the street that does these. This is a custom CNC job with the RestoMods applique on the valve covers there. You can see you got power brakes. That's your air conditioning compressor right there, but they did all kinds of extra touches like these covers here are painted to match the car. The whole firewall has been shaved and smoothed.
Yeah, I seen that. I thought it looked pretty cool. I love how you did the engine bay.
A couple times. It's a little tricky. Back and forward is this lever right here.
Car drives really smooth when you want to just cruise, and that's what I love about it.
Yeah, it is pretty smooth. Like, I drove an old Oldsmobile one time about the same year, and that thing was like a boat, just wanted to go everywhere.
So how's it feel behind the wheel for the first time on your first drive?
Amazing. Yeah, absolutely amazing. This is so cool. Yeah, I can't wait to share it to people back home. I just won this car and $20,000 from RestoMods.com.